Bentley in his little backpack. Okay, what did Mommy get you? Did Mommy get you some toys?
Where's Mama?
Yeah. Let's see what we got. I got you a new book. That's cool.
I'll see you tomorrow.
You like that book? It's upside down, honey. Okay, open up your train set. Mommy got you a train too. Right behind the book. Here, let's put the book up here. I'll read it to you in a second, okay? You got a train. What else did you get? A puzzle. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you spoiled?
No.
I think you are. You ripped your bag. Mommy wanted to save that bag. Oh, I'll show you how to do your dinosaurs. Here. Let's see. You gotta wind them up. See, look it. That one's crawling. Cool, huh? You like those?
What's that one doing?
What kind of dinosaur is that?
T-Rex.
Good job. What kind is the other one?
T-Rex.
Good job. Okay, smile. Oh my God, look at your hair. I love you.
You did good.
I love you.
That one did.
See, I love you.
I will do too.
Aww.